Now we want to talk about iRacing on this simulator. So make sure you want to open up the iRacing UI. So once you are in the iRacing UI page, you have your own registered name, and then you can do test drive. In this case, the customer is preset for a Ferrari 269 GT3 car on the Canadian Tire Motorsport Park. The game is preset so the car has damage disabled, which you can see from here, disable car damage. And if you're getting bored with your Ferrari, click on the Ferrari and you can choose many other cars from the list. Most of them you have to pay for it, but you can basically go by, what your preferred cars are. In this case, we choose the Ferrari, we choose the Canadian Tire Motorsport Park. You can also click on the track, so it gives you the list of the laser scan tracks that iRacing has. So this game is purely race track and a race car. In this case, we decided to go with these two combination and click test drive. It will load up to the iRacing game. You're in the pre-drive window. In this case, we want to explain you what is the setting and what do you want to change if you want to do anything. Go to the setting, go to the setting section on the pre-loading UI. Now it's where you do all the different fine tune of the iRacing, steering wheel, pedals, quick control, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now we're in the pre-game UI window. We want to go to the setting.
Yes.
Everything's preset. You don't have to worry too much. The buttons are already predetermined. And the only thing here you want to watch out is whether you want to use a pedal shift or a sequential. In iRacing, there's only sequential as a shifter option or pedal shift on these GT class cars. So when we do collaborate, that's the only thing you want to consider, the gearbox. Once we want to click on the gearbox, and it tells you which button you wanted to do the shifting. So you want to do upshift on your right hand side. Click next. You want to do downshift on your left hand side of the pedal. And go next. And you don't have an H pattern in iRacing, so say no. And you are ready to go. All the modifications are under this window by dragging down this bar. If you are not wanting to use manual shift, you can change to an auto shift by going to the drive aids. Under the shift aids, you want to change from auto blip, which is manual shift, to auto shift, which you don't have to do pedal shifting anymore. It goes when you give the throttle. So we're gonna go to auto shift for now, so you see how it drives. Once you figure out what do you do under the setting, when you are under the pre-drive UI window, you can click the repeating button box here. So it gives you the orange side. So it gives you the pitting position, you can ready to go. We choose the auto shift, so all you need to do is give the throttle and the car will engage. And there's another button here, so if you think it's control the speakers, tune down. by going left, tone up by going louder. So if you ever wanted to change from auto to paddle shift, or even you want to change to a more fancy steering wheel in this game, make sure you have to exit so we can swap the steering wheel. By exiting the game, by turn off the power base of the wheel,